Hello, my name is Rishi and I'll be explaining the loop exercises today. Loop exercise number 1 says, make a square with side length 3 rotations using the loop block. Instead of 8 blocks like in move exercise number 6, it should use just 3 blocks. Number 1 in loop. So problem number 1 in loop is related to the problem in the move section where we had to make a square. If you remember, it's basically this one, we're making a square with side length 3. So problem number 1 says, make the same square using the loop block. Instead of using 8 blocks like before, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It should only use 3. So if you think about it, okay, let's think about a square. So I'm just making the corners of a square using this random block. Okay, here we go. These are the corner of the square. So if we're here, we go forwards, right? Okay, my mouse is the robot. Then we turn, go forwards, turn, forwards, turn, forwards, turn. So if you notice, we're basically doing the same thing 4 times. We're going forwards, we're turning, and then we're doing the exact same thing. Forward, turning, and then forward, turning. So let's talk about it. We're going forwards first, right? So bring a block, going forwards for 3 rotations. That was the dimension from last problem. Then we're making a turn. So let's make it turn right this time, same as last time. So now this is turning. And then we're repeating the same thing 4 times. So unlike before, where we basically had the exact same thing 4 times, we can use a loop block. So we drag a loop block, okay, just drag in front, I find this easier. Then put the blocks inside. So here we have our move blocks inside a loop. Now if you notice this loop, it says it has the sign over here, and it says it's going here forever. We don't want it to go in a square forever. We just want it to make one square. So we use the count, right? We're doing it how many times? We're doing it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, right? So we're doing it 4. And then that's it. So it goes forwards, turns, and then we're doing it 4 times.
Yeah.
Loop exercise number 2 says, go in a square for 15 seconds, then go backwards 2 rotations. So like before, going in a square. So just drag a move block, go forwards, let's say 3 rotations, like before. Then turn, let's in this case make it turn left for 400, so this is us turning left. Then it says do it for 15 seconds, right? Go in a square for 15 seconds. So drag a loop, the blocks inside, and then if you remember last time, we had made this into count and we made this 4, but in this case we wanted to go in a square for 15 seconds. So if you look here, it has forever, sensor, time. Okay, that's where we want to go. Time, so seconds right there. We want it to go for 15 seconds. So that's it. It's going in a square for 15 seconds. But then at the end it says, then go backwards for 2 rotations. So we drag another block and put it afterwards, right? It's not in the loop, it's after we've gone in a square for 15 seconds. And then make this go backwards, 2 rotations, and that's it. Voila! Goes in a square for 15 seconds, then ends by going backwards 2 rotations. So now you know how to use loops. Watch our other videos to learn more. See you later!